Hello Techies, welcome to my channel Techno Network. I hope you all are doing well. So from today I'm going to start a series where I will guide you some commandlets of PowerShell which we can use to files and folder operations, to do a network configuration, to do a system configuration, and to know about the system details, system information, and many more. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. At the left hand side, you can see I am in the C drive test folder. At the right hand side, you can see I have opened my PowerShell and I am in the same folder C drive and the test. Okay. So first, to what we are going to do, we are going to create a folder using the PowerShell. So I'll create a folder in the test folder only. So to create a folder, there is one command let called new item, and then give the folder name. I'll give the folder name taste123. Okay, and here is we are creating a folder. We have to give one parameter which is type and type directory. Hit enter. There you can see in the test folder the test123 folder has been created. Okay, let me create a file also over here. To create a file, we use the same commandlet, which is new item, and give a file name. For example, I'll give the file name computer. I hit enter. So there you can see one file with the name of computer has been created. Okay. Now, what if we wanna move this file computer to this test123 folder, or we wanna copy this file to test123? Okay. So here, let me copy this file to the test123 folder. So to copy the file, there is one commandlet which is copy item. Give the file name and then give the path where you want to copy it. Okay, I'll give the path over here C drive, uh, test folder, and test123. Hit enter. So there you can see this computer file is available in test123 folder. So that's how we can copy a file. Okay, here let me create one more file here. I'll create one file, new item, and file name will be file.txt. I hit enter, and there you can see at the left side the file .txt has been created. Now, what if we wanna move this file to the text123 folder? So to move this file, there is one commandlet which is move item, and then give the file name file.txt, and give the path where you wanna move it. So I'll give the path name over here, which is C drive test123. I hit enter, and there you can see that file.txt has been moved from here and it went into this folder test123 folder. Okay, so that's how you can create a file by using new item, and you can copy a file using copy item. You can move a file using move item. Now, what if you want to rename this file.txt? Okay. So first, I'm currently in the test folder. Let me go to the test123 folder. So to change a folder to go into any other folder, we type cd and the folder name test123. Hit enter. So currently we are in the test123 folder. In test123 folder, there are two files, computer and file.txt. Okay. Let me rename a file.txt file. So I'll give one commandlet which is rename item, and I'll give the existing name is file.txt, and I'll give the new name which I wanna give. For example, I wanna give file123.txt. So I'll type here file123.txt. Hit enter, and you can see that file.txt has been changed to the file123.txt. Okay. Now, what if you wanna delete this file123.txt? So to delete this file, you have to type delete item. I'm sorry, in PowerShell, you have to type remove item to delete a file, and then give the file name file123 dot. And now you can see that file123.txt file has been deleted from here. Okay. So that's how you can create a file, copy a file, or rename a file, or remove a file using the PowerShell. So to create a file, you use new item. To copy a file, use copy item commandlet. To move a file, use move item. To rename a file, use rename item. Okay. Now this is all I showed you for one single file. What if there are multiple files which we have to delete, for example? So first let me create some file over here. I'll create one file, a new item, and I'll give the file name file1.txt. I hit enter and it will create file1.txt. I'll create one more file, file2. I'll create one more file, file3. So there you can see I created three files over here. Now what if you wanna delete three of them in one go? So to delete any file with the same extension, as you can see the three of them are having the same extension .txt, .txt, .txt. So to delete multiple files which has the same extension, we use the same command remove item and then type asterisk .txt. Hit enter. There you can see the all files which has .txt extension has been deleted from here. Okay, so that's how you can do this operation on multiple files. So this is all about the files. What about the folders? So in the starting I showed you to create a folder we use this path, new item, folder name, and then we give the parameter. Okay, now to move the folder, to rename the folder, to remove the folder, we use the same command. Let me show you over here. First, let me delete this computer file which you can see over here. To delete, we use remove item and the file name. That you can see the file has been deleted. Okay. Let me delete this one also. You can see that file has been deleted. So currently we are in the test folder. Now, what if you wanna delete the test 123 folder only? So to delete the test 123, use the same command. Remove test 123. Hit enter. And you can see that folder has been deleted. So that's how you can use the PowerShell for your basic files and folder operation. To delete a file, to delete a folder, to rename, to move, to copy a file or folder. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you have learned something, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel Techno Network. Thank you.